Why can't it stop? Ah,
This is her first time crashing. I miss her. Her name is Jessie. I still miss her.